I've been waiting for this feature and it's finally here. If you have an Android phone, you will have realized that there is this nearby share feature by Google. However, it was only available to be used with other Android phones, Android tablets and Chromebooks, but it's now available for Windows. I was waiting for this feature as transferring files between Android and Windows was quite difficult in the past. AirDrop is only available for iOS devices, and Nearby Share on Windows is only for Windows laptops and PCs. Server Messaging Block, SMB, the method to transfer files within iOS and Windows, also works for Android. However, not all Android devices support SMB, and they have to be connected to the same network. Since Google Nearby Share for Windows is still in beta, you will have to download it from Android.com. I'll paste the link to this page in the description below. There are some minimum system requirements, which is using a Windows 10 64-bit or higher and having Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This app allows you to transfer files from any Android to Windows, or from Windows to any Android. There will be privacy settings in the app as well, to receive from everyone, contacts, your own devices, or to disable sharing. If you are sharing between your own devices, a Google account is required. You can share an image through your PC to view on a bigger screen, or take your files on the go when you transfer files from PC to Android. Going back to the download page, you can download the beta version of this app and launch it once it is done downloading. Once it is done, the first thing that you will realize is a Nearby Share icon on the taskbar. Click on it and this is how the application looks like. If I am not signed in, I only have the option to hide my device or receive from everyone. If I am signed in, I am able to receive from contacts and receive from my own devices. If I receive from my own devices, I will not have to accept to receive the file. There are some settings that can be changed, like changing the device visible name and receiving location. If you did not use Google Nearby Share before, this is how it works. For transferring files, I will first set my device to receive from everyone. This will be the same for receiving from contacts. Similar to AirDrop, tap on the device that you want to send to, and the recipient will have to accept the file before it can be transferred. But if you are sharing the file with yourself, you will not need to accept the file. The default saving location for the recipient is the Downloads folder for both Windows and Androids. Now you know a better way to transfer files between Android and Windows. Google Nearby Share is also useful if you want to share files between nearby Android devices, similar to Apple AirDrop. See you in the next video.